So hi guys, please unmute yourself and feel free to ask any query if you have it on this. The whole idea of this workshop is that at least with this 3 hours of workshop, I just wanted to make sure that you understand what is this NSX. With this basic 3 hours of workshop also, I assume that you would have got some understanding that tomorrow someone talk you about NSX. At least you should have some understanding that, okay, what I am supposed to talk about it, right? That is the whole ideation of this workshop is 3 hours of workshop. And you can imagine 3 hours of workshop, if you have learned something, we have 80 hours of program. I mean, I would say 100 plus hours of program. So try to imagine a difference between 3 hours and 100 hours of learning only about NSX. And that is what makes our learners different, that you want to become an administrator or architect. Okay. So I think that's all I have it, guys. So do you have any queries on the microsegmentation before I take you to the very last topic of our discussion? Please explain certification. Yes, that's the next topic I'm going to talk about it. Okay. So if there is no more question on the microsegmentation, then we are pretty good from this topic as well. So now let's move on to the very last topic of our discussion, which is going to be our some of the career perspective, right? That what is the value addition for the NSX? So let me record the session.